therefore I don't see the diako see ya no now bibia dia dance here ewiase nyina dia dance here osoro e dia dance here even miracle films na mu aba abonten because untimi nka Kumawood-related ubayi sabi ya papa miracle aiden afrim wabeka the history and everything ana wasane abe endorse it say now eye Dr. Likee emrenie anunti me use me platform na mama Dr. Likee congratulations papa what the bim
so because oh Likee in the team and AJ movie industry no esi ho for some time Likee in the team and AJ industry no esi ho for some time ebrebidan kegu Likee team na AJ too na say obi so be ka say enye omo na nkofo bi na ye na basis level because dem be say all because of nkoma many miracle films dey obo Likee ne mo nyina mamba so say eduma no top form no mo na mo so mo edu level bi amanfo so be join here Pauline so ni Bill Asamoah kodi nkomo e ma ne busan the same question Bill Asamoah anyantum wanyantum say edu level be kwa mo ko mbe so e ma ne ba be ye say say mo te sa nsam sa na mo say adwuma mo ye industry ni nyina no ebi mi hu mu say mo ye adwuma na
okay unse sebie so ye se utin seteteti a yinyi tetaye don't worry empanyin kasa the ten say adwuma no I say football 11 players but they are back na captain obi antimi mo captain band na intene ya kwasentwe na captain whether you like it or yes trust me
let's like in a captain
listen let's be honest to ourselves not because of some many akosi nenam not because of akosi emenu way back not because of say I am part of akosi but you and I know say let's look at way back. It started with Nkrofobi. He came on and Jacob hold the mantle. No? He came on, Kojon Cancer came and hold the mantle. Kokumenu too came. What's in common? Why is it that it's time for Akosentria? People are saying, yo, it's not his time. But trust me, when you go out there, Ukwa Broche, Uko Bebia, you know, when you're in America, what's in common? And so we should accept it, whether you like it or not. Obiya Juma, everybody is working. Obiya Antifio, all the actors and actresses are working. Busily working, if you were set to matter the year Juma, Messy do year Juma. But trust me, when we say we want a flag barrier, say see for movie and a Kumawood, why did Nikodi anymore?
Say Pobi say okay, a flag bearer for the movie industry. Like you know,
Accra for no crowd they know. Yen pempi pemuni empese, you be Kumawood no way Gallywood, but Ghana. Trust me, for now, you can't ultimately first tour. And our first one, anya Akabenezer and Abibonidi. Yen nam ye hu yetse. What's in common? I say, medical can say something in nam. Yen nam ye hu yetse ye too quiet. What's in common? I say, your phobia or more pandit analysis for. They will tell you this and this and this. Miracle Films can tell us, say, I am the godfather of the game. I brought the game here before Biaba joining, and you have taken the mantle. Who are you and who are you to say, okay, Akosi Entesa? When a basa, we are not being fair to our brother. Akosi started bandana by, obey bandana by, so a Shatawali. And you think he's not doing something important for our country.
Rasnene was
way back, and then he's now like Dr. Likee Akabenezer. To go back and bounce back, you think it's easy? And somebody to go and come back, no about control it. Do you remember the year Akosentri started to say, oh, blow? 5, 6, 7 years ago. And I won't count it. And 2 years ago. And 3, 4, 5 years back. And he's holding a mantle and gradually he's getting to 10 years. And you tell me he's not one of the of them are all wave flag now. I don't see it correct. Because and they trust me. And they
nobody.
Oh, what are you talking about? Papa J, what are you saying? Huh? What are you saying? First, na jakoni sinimu ani ento. First, Kojon Cancer ni sinimu ani ento. Kumenu ni mua those days na ento. But then ucha YouTube na Akabenezer ni mua and fat said the old child no man. Let's be real to ourselves. It's not movie here to see the cassette. But now when you go to the social media there, he's the king over there, yo. Wow. You can't take it from him, man. That is how it is.
Mesaba she say otin san se me say na no obi kasa mu say your time more enti no mo kasa sa
say nipa no onu ni tirimu na wo ka ne say on say we are say favor egumu awodo se nyankopon kra e de nsono mama wo a wo se una wo be leader mo amutu anamo no mo na wo be leader sabi o first na Kumawood gina so eye de na ye killer sem ne ade no na sabi kra no obi nim se akwase antwi kra no bibi se woni mu wate ase nyankopon se afe na mayiw apie obia ni ho a obetimi aye de aso na tade ma atwe na san sise nyankopon na wono na de na ba se sabi se nka me ye namui ye nuafo ye namui ana ye ne akwasi start Kumawood ye se there be akwasi kwaja ye nti wo se e ma ne ye ya there be the moment asabi unua no wo kɔ nanim no na wo ta na chi no kwa na wo kra so wo so kra no hu there is how eti de unua no se nyame na pagya no ayi no enye ono ne pɛ na du pagya se there be o mi ye ya never enye ono ye nyame na pagya no e na du sam pempen so no se wo na edu time se bedi omonim eti enye ono ne pɛ eye wiase nyina na ebo ne din wati ase I say ye to aba na ya ka say nipa asumasi mumi enyi nipa asumasi ti say de na papa Kumase ka say I say boy ye boy anya say ebu okwa onim bosse ye say captain and so onu na ye yi ne say o medi anim wati ase eti e nuane nya ne pe on say mre bi onu aka say opeso wo jai yes enye aha and so obi tinche obeka say unua no kire ne ho na say bi eye force to be cry bia se bi obi ti ba bi ebe kan say ensu de nyame se waka no waka nipa ntimi nsisa no da se so wono a ene ka cho say time na so ye wati si bebre super wodi mu nyina ba e no madan ye ja ono na acti ya me di super son so e no way bi kusi e no way Bob Santo e no way yes omu nyina abako opon mu nyina abako satam ne esusa wati ase eti se nyankopɔ se wo time na aduru na nsonoma no one de ama wo a somo a uni se ase ye nyankopɔ so be sofo na time na aduru a wo pa ye den se nyankopɔ ka se wo nya na adwuma a wo boa wo so ye na adwuma na nsa na so obeto ne nsa afrɛ wa wato ne nsa afrɛ ti nyame na apagya no enye ono ne pɛ se bia se ya na se onkogina ba bi so nka se bia me na me ye leader e wa ha there be enkrofo wiase nyina ena ayi no se akosi de wuye ena oba ye so onye obi a oye didija onye selfish be enye nsem bebre ne be ba betena ha aka ye ka se ye ka nsem a anka akosi se bi o meme ne nam Kumase nim mu aye bebre ama me
o ma waka akra
what you say wa ye bebre ama me what you say enye se bia menua no wa ya de boni bia na say wa ya de a enye bi what you say time no na aduru emre na so nyame na ayi no se nsonoma no ye mfa nto so na me na aye ne saa what you say ti so okọ nanimu a se bi ye nua mo na obi a mu di kan mo bia mfa ne support nye de eso nta chire na ye nyina no se wo de support ne ta unua na chi a usu kure bi kan what ya yakọ ba bia yakọ act ana se yakọ ba bia yanka ya beka Kumawood what ya say
ka se enu yakọ ba bia o mo si Kumawood fo aba Sunday no ya ma obi ani no so si Kumawood fo aba ha
se nipa tu kura na se sen ba akokura ne nam a wo ko pie ba bia nipa domo no Kumawood fo sa eye title a eda ho yes eye title a eda ho ma artist bia o se bi owo Kumase ana o Ghana ha enti so kodu ba bia ye beka ye money din foforo ye mo na bodin bia foforo Kumawood ene ye beka
osoro ene asase di adanse ne dua ise doctor eye umre nie di umre if say mre wo yi ye ni nkaso nemom doctor Likee kura no onye nipa sabi oye kuntan ono wo say saa de no ono de ye den because ne bota ye pa ne say obe support boys no more street no mu nyina hu content creation na sabi mu nyina betwa bi na bosumi bi obi ansa akona no ma free street ni so bedafo umpe we na opedien one thing I me me Dr. Likee and say naturally no me obi a me wa abadaye me ta ya adoye pa no ntimi me hu obi a saa sunu ewo ni mu a ɛyɛ no mani gye saa nkurɔfoɔ no ho mɛtumi aka sɛ Dr. Likee ɛyɛ one of the celebrities a sɛbi Nyankopɔn tɔ ne nhyira gu ne so no enipa dodoɔ na ayɛ den ajoin the industry a sɛbi bebree apagya na wɔn nyinaa nye wɔn channels a obiara de yɛ adwuma ɛma ne nsa kɔna no me last editorial me yɛ me kan me sɛ Dr. Likee Nyankopɔn pagya no ɛde ne kɔka celebrities ne ho no anasɛ stars ne ho on top no ɔde atwedeɛ abɛtwene ho ɛno nti wa ɔyɛ smart bi a wɔn nso pɛ sɛ ɔforo na ɔba bi no wabiem meka sɛ mebubo din a adagye bɛbɔ yɛn nipa dodo a sɛbi ɛnam Dr. Likee so ɔmu nyinaa ka ne asɔ ɛwɔ Ghana ɛboro adwene ne nteaseɛ so na menhwehwɛ mu kakra ɛkyerɛ me sɛ saa atwedeɛ na ɔde abɛtwene ɛhɔ no ɛma nipa dodo na ɛforo ma ɔmu ka ne asɔ no ɛno na sɛbi nkurɔfoɔ bi a ɔmu sunsum anaasɛ ɔmu way of thinking no ɛnsupporte sɛ nipa bebree ɛnso ka ne abɛsɔ no ɛntena ase a ɔmu nyinaa ɛka sɛ ɛnyɛ ne mmerɛnie no but ɔsoro ɛne asase me ne ɔka sɛ yi ɛde adanseɛ sɛ ampa Dr. Likee the whole Ghana ne mmerɛnie wopɛ sɛ wohu sɛ obi mmerɛ aduru ɛwɔ Ghana me ɛyɛ very simple asɛm a meka yi ɛyɛ very simple wonim sɛ deɛ ɛsiteɛ wopa yɛmfrɛ 100 promoters ɔmo wɔ aburokyiri a sɛbi ɔmo nim the market ankasa a sɛbi ɔmo nim nkurɔfoɔ a ɔmo firi Ghana ba aburokyiri bɛyɛ nneɛma a sɛbi ɔmo ka na yɛmfa Kumawood for no mako 10 edin ma wɔn medefo nyɛ sɛ bia me haha mani o wanhwɛ ya out of the 100 promoters no emu 99 ebe choose Dr. Likee because apart from Dr. Likee no a bad day person now ukofo bi foforo bi asa ɔde ne bɛyɛ bibi abrocha wobɛtuma pulling numbers but with Dr. Likee no omre because any time I so bi nyuma hit no untimi now Kempaluto ade ni duru abrocha ne wode ne two poster ne so ana obi eba because any mre wahu ɛyɛ time and seasons and untimi da for memo obi a ento emfuturo engu wani now Dr. Likee mre udi dwuma bia na pese pulling numbers a wo products bia na pese selling it so quicker wo abroche na pese ye bibi na onya a dombasia look no further obanyansafo. Thanks a million for being part of today's episode of the Bonah Show. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of this bigger family. Onyankopon hyira na until the I'm out.